Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast, Napoleon Macro. So Bitcoin is right now having indecision candles on the 12-hour. We're going to point that out really quickly. We still remain bullish on Bitcoin with an insurance policy, of course. Just again, we're going to get into the details in terms of what I'm seeing in the past 4 12-hour candles. And this should be evidence that there should be a move higher here within at least a week, okay? And that's what we're going to explore in this video, guys. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we explore price action via candlesticks and lines. Welcome in new subscribers. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here. So today's September the 17th, 2021, and the current price of Bitcoin, $47,226.85, fluctuating slightly negative 1.1% for the day. All right, so let's pull up the lines here. Let's see. All right, so yeah, we've been following this, if you're new, just $46,800 and $49,600. That's actually my conservative price target. That should take place, assuming that 46.8 can actually hold here within a short period of time. Let's give it a full week, guys. I'm not really good at timing this, but that's what I would look for. Now, if you do get a slight dip below the $46,800 level, that's to be expected. That's fine. But what you want to look for is 12-hour or daily candles to close below $46,800. If it gets down to that level, I think the buyers are going to step in. That's what's naturally going to happen. And let me just kind of further elaborate why I'm still remaining bullish. When I say remaining bullish, it's not like I'm like buying actively right now. No, because I actually have an insurance policy on the market right now. But I'm speculatively observing that the market will move higher in a short period of time. And here's why. Excuse me. So I'm going to go ahead and focus your attention on these 4 12-hour candles here. Right here. You see those 4 12-hour candles? Let's get a zoom in here. There's something very distinct about the candles. There's no real difference. I mean, they're different in size with the candles' bodies, but notice at the top of those candles there. Notice the wicks at the top of the candles, okay? That's selling pressure. And of course, just below the shadows, below the candles' bodies, that is buying pressure, okay? Now, the reason that I'm pointing this out is because it senses that there's indecision in the market, okay? Now, keep in mind, the market just had a clustered area of price action below the $46,800 level, which was the seller's obligation to follow through. It was supposed to get rejected at that red line and keep going down. I'm explaining this for a reason. It makes sense, guys. But since the clustered area price action that took place below $46,800 has now broken back above the level of support, and there's indecision candles going on in the market, that leads me to believe that if there's indecision going on, then naturally you have to assume that the trend will continue. BTC is in an overall trend, and BTC sellers stepped into the market and put this very large sell candle into the market, and they failed at their obligation in keeping the price below the red line. So if there's indecision candles going on above the previous level of resistance, then assume that the trend will likely continue here in the short term and move to the upside. We have the same price target, guys, at about $49,600. Can it break through that level? Absolutely. But I just kind of understand the BTC market from day to day. We do the best that we can to understand the fluctuations. I think I'm doing a pretty good job here. And yeah, that's basically what we're looking for, guys. So to sum up the video, these 4 12-hour candles are leading me to believe that the buyers are just simply taking this opportunity for these last 4 candles to use this as to take full advantage of the buying opportunity. It's been a negative day, so as long as the market is red, buying activity is going on. You can rest assured they're buying Bitcoin as we speak. It's likely this market will have a move higher within a very short period of time. If I have to be conservative and say, I think on the last video we were saying like 72 hours. But let's give it, another 72 hours. I mean, we weren't saying that the market will move up in 72 hours. We're trying to figure out, the most important thing is for the market to stay above the previous level of resistance, $46,800. So far, that is being accomplished, okay? Can that change? Absolutely. I'm always open to volatility. But I'm going to remain to say the markets look like they want to move higher here in the short term. Yes, we still have an insurance policy on Bitcoin, but we're not going to, we're going to exercise our right to hold on to that insurance policy until the market moves higher. When the market moves higher, if it moves higher, then and only then is when I will assess whether or not we should get rid of our insurance policies or add to our insurance policies if the market goes up to $49,600. That's all we're waiting on. Okay. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully this explanation in terms of the indecision be above the previous level of resistance. When you have indecision above the previous level of resistance and the market is in an overall uptrend, assume the trend, okay? Because the sellers are obviously failing here. Although the market is slightly negative. See, that's why it's important to understand price action. This way you'll know how to interpret the fluctuations and you're not like, oh man, Bitcoin's been red all day. It's a bad day. No, it's actually a pretty reasonable day, because the buyers are stepping in and that's what they need. They need that red light to be on so that they can purchase Bitcoins, because they rarely buy Bitcoins on an up day. I can almost guarantee you big players do not buy Bitcoin as the market is going up. Okay, that's not how it works, guys. I mean, I could be wrong, guys. I'm still new to this, okay? So definitely don't take what I say for financial advice, just education. And hopefully that educational piece was good enough for everyone. We just opened a new candle here. 12-hour candles, so it's trying to push to the upside there. And yeah, so we'll probably post this video as the market is going up, but just understand I was talking about it before when the market was slightly negative. It's looking bullish to me. Okay, so that's how we're going to end the video. If 46.8 can hold, expect the market to move higher. Okay, that's all I have for you wonderful folks. Hopefully you enjoyed that. So go ahead and leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content, and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video. If you are new, we explored the regular stocks throughout the week, 7 days actually. So kindly join us here, and we'll send you that momentarily. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate your time. Thanks for stopping out. Execute your strategies. Remember, always be kind. Keep that positive energy flowing. We'll talk soon, and bye for now.